Hey everybody, good morning. I am Andy. I'm unedited, I'm unscripted, and I'm uncensored. I'm just taking a little walk this morning. We got a little bit of snow last night here, and I just thought I'd take a little walk to the other side of the property and take a look around and make a short video. I had a thought this morning, and my thought this morning was that we should maybe identify some select prisoners that show some aptitude and ability and stability, and set them up inside some blighted inner city areas and have them rebuild. Have them rebuild those communities. Have them rehab some buildings and houses. Build some affordable condominiums or apartments for individuals, couples, maybe families of 3, you know, and fix America, man. God damn, we're fucked up, man. That's all I got, man. That's a quick one. That's a real quick one. That ain't 15 minutes of fame, brother. That's a minute and a half. We got to fix America. We got to build it. We got to find people to build it. And hey, we got prisoners that could probably, use something to do, and they could learn something, and they could fix something, and they could do something. We got to fix America, man. That's all I got. I'm Andy. I'm out.